What's up guys, this is G with Tez Bros, and today we're going to be talking about the top 4 interior wraps that our customers love. Let's face it, the piano black on the center console 1.0 is the worst. Fingerprints just glaring at you constantly. You can choose between 8 different colors and textures to give it some style. The center console 2.0s look pretty good already with the dark gray, but you can definitely spice it up with those colors too. I personally don't prefer the wood dash. I think it's pretty old school when it comes to something as high-tech and feature-forward as a Tesla. So this is a simple way to upgrade the look and make it a tad more sleek. Along with that, if you have a newer model and has an interior wooden trim that connects with the dashboard, we also have a kit for that so you can make sure your dash matches all the way around. You can really up your game with a steering wheel wrap that matches the rest of your interior style. So if you're tired of looking at matte black, we've got 6 colors for you to choose from. The door switch wraps are just the last bit of color you didn't know you needed. It'll complete the interior look and bring it all together. Along with that, if your newer model doesn't come with door labels, we got you with this door label kit.